How to delete Safari history with restrictions. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can delete Safari history with restrictions, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to delete Safari history with restrictions, if your Safari app has restrictions and then you would like to delete the histories that are inside of it because you don't have full access, first of all, we're going to remove the restriction. For that, you open up your settings app and then you go to screen time, and then from there you just go to the option called content and privacy restrictions. Make sure to turn off content and privacy restrictions if you have happened to enable them, right? So just make sure to turn them off here. So once you turn off content and privacy restrictions, now we're going to begin clearing the history. So from the settings menu again, just scroll down and look for the Safari application. So let me just go ahead and then look for the Safari app over here as well. So once you find Safari, tap on it, and under Safari you should be able to see all the sorts of information where you'll find the option to delete the history. Now, in case you don't find the option to delete histories over here, from here again what you want to do is you want to simply go to the general option and then just go to iPhone storage. From iPhone storage, you want to look for the Safari app again over here, and then from here you can see website data. Tap on it and then just make sure to clear all the website data by tapping the remove all website data from the bottom of the screen, and that way you should be able to delete your Safari history with restrictions. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.